For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Axie Axes could hit $96,442 in 2022. Axie's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem Axes at $15,152 in 2022. Axie's past all-time high was on 6 November 2021, where Axes was evaluated at $164.9. Axie's cost simultaneously last week was $18,209. It has moved by 4,008% in the previous week and is as of now at $18.94. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, Axes has unloaded by 0.099%. There is a slight negative opinion in the crypto market. The drawn-out feeling, in any case, stays bullish, and Axes could hit $305,472 in 2023. The all-out flowing stockpile of Axie as of compassing this video was $88,603,583,613, and the market cap of Axes stays at $670,869,379. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically no data of interest and inexistent verifiable information, the model, as a matter of course, will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to translate white paper, tokenomics and group honesty. The coin's value that you are going to see beneath can fall definitely contingent upon many variables, so kindly contribute admirably in the wake of actually looking at the group and tasks white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should rigorously not be taken as a speculation exhortation. Albeit the best specialists are as of now tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has confirmed the cost anticipated underneath, so if it's not too much trouble, utilize your prudence and settle on a choice carefully. Our Axie cost expectation model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to give the surmised worth of Axes before very long to come. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% exact, however we endeavor to present to you the most dependable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses remember Axie's for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Axie's absolute exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. Axie's social feeling for August 2022 and past authentic information. Axie's impending guide and developer action for August 2022 and past authentic information. Axie's huge whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Axie's cost developments in light of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. Axie price prediction. Axie has had a memorable 2021. To improve on the most recent Axie's cost forecast, we have split the expectation by transient Axie cost expectation and long-haul Axie cost expectation. As of compassing this video, Axes had an exchanging volume of $160,550 when 376. Axie has increased by 26,005% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Axie cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of Axes at $69,604, and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $74,476. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Axie cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of Axes at $261,772, and the most elevated conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $280,097. Axie Infinity Cost Expectation 12 August 2022. Axie Infinity's cost for 12 August 2022 as per our investigation ought to run between $28,571 to $32,872 and the typical cost of Axies ought to be around $30,721. Axie Infinity Cost Expectation 17 August 2022. Axie Infinity's cost for 17 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $38,344 to $44,116 and the typical cost of Axies ought to be around $41.23. Axie Infinity Cost Expectation 22 August 2022. Axie Infinity's cost for 22 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $45,514 to $52,365 and the typical cost of Axies ought to be around $48,939. Axie Infinity Cost Expectation 1 September 2022. Axie Infinity's cost for 1 September 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $55,438 to $63,783 and the typical cost of Axies ought to be around $59.61. Axie Infinity Cost Expectation October 2022. Axie Infinity's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $64,731 to $74,476 and the typical cost of Axies ought to be around $69,604. Axie Infinity Cost Expectation November 2022. Axie Infinity's cost for November 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $69,737 to $80,235 and the typical cost of Axies ought to be around $74,986. Axie Infinity Cost Expectation December 2022. Axie Infinity's cost for December 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $74,743 to $85,995 and the typical cost of Axies ought to be around $80,369. Axie Infinity's long-term price prediction. Axie Infinity's drawn-out price prediction beneath is a gander at Axie's future possibility with respect to cost. Axie Infinity was most recently seen at $18.94, with a market cap of $670 $869 $379, and exchanging volumes of $160 $550 $376. Axie's